Ready to streamline your event signups or gather crucial feedback effortlessly? Today, we're diving into how to build a professional online registration form using the powerful and free tool, Google Forms. First things first, head over to forms.google.com and click on the plus sign to start a new form. Look for that colorful plus icon, and you're ready to go. Let's give our form a clear title, something descriptive like event registration or workshop signup. After that, you can add a brief description explaining the purpose of your form. Now for the questions, click the plus icon to add your first question. Choose the best question type from the drop-down, like short answer for names, multiple choice for selection, or paragraph for longer text. Don't forget to toggle require if you need specific information. Think about what information you absolutely need for an event. You might want name, email address, and perhaps an option for different session choices. You can also add a free text area for special requests or dietary needs. Want to make your form more visually appealing? You can add images by clicking the image icon next to the plus. This is perfect for event logos or branding. Before you share, it's crucial to see how your form looks. Click the icon in the top right corner to preview your form. This lets you test it out as a respondent. Go through each question, making sure it's clear and functional. Check that your required fields are working as expected. Now, let's talk settings. Click the gear icon in the top right here. You can collect email addresses automatically, limit responses to one per person, and even set up confirmation messages for respondents. Once you're happy, click the send button. You can share your form via email, get a direct link to paste anywhere, or even embed it on your website. And that's it. You've just created a custom online registration form in Google Forms that's ready to collect your data efficiently. Happy form building.